Hi everybody, Miranda Dressler here, attorney with the law offices of Bridget Mackay in Petaluma, California. And we practice in the areas of estate planning and elder law. And this is the 8th and final installment in my series of video blogs where I talk about the 8 mistakes that clients routinely make that negatively impact their estate plan and the way the estate plan plays out. And so the 8th mistake is really a more general mistake, and that's that the estate plan as a whole really doesn't reflect your values or life lessons, kind of those softer issues that are important to you and really the backbone of why we do estate planning in the first place. So the way that traditional estate planning has been done in this country is really to have a narrow focus of what's valuable to people. The focus has been primarily on protecting the financial assets, doing things like, minimizing taxes, avoiding court, and minimizing the costs that go along with that, maximizing income, and then, making distributions to beneficiaries. And those are really good goals to have in an estate plan. They really are the basics of, or should be the kind of basics of any estate plan. It's important, right? But when the view is so narrow and so focused just on that issue, other really important issues that are important to people in their lives are missed. And if you really ask yourself, and when I ask most of my clients, what really is valuable to you in your life that you're wanting to protect, for most people, their bank account number isn't the thing that's at the top of the list. My clients tell me it's their children, their spouse, the health and well-being of their family, their friends, and their other relationships, and their values and their relationship to the community. Those are really the things that matter to people, and really the reason why people are doing estate planning in the first place. So the better way to come at doing estate planning, the better view is just to have a more holistic view when you're doing your estate plan about what's important. Yes, it's important to take account of the financial and make sure that's covered and make sure, the money is protected. But you also want to be thinking about the other things that are important to you when you're doing your estate plan. How is the setup of the estate plan going to affect your children, for example? Are the distributions or the inheritance that your children will eventually be receiving, will that be protected for them? And how is the setup of the estate plan going to affect ultimately your spouse? And when those kind of softer issues are brought into the equation, the estate plan really is much more comprehensive, and it really ends up protecting your family in such a better way than when you're just focused on the financial aspect. So that was the 8th mistake. If you have any questions about this topic or really any other estate planning topic, I suggest you contact an experienced estate planning attorney in your area. Thank you.